MPLN Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. 94% gains is crazy. And Multiplan stock or Multiplan Corporation stock, it's inside a supply area still, although it has gone up almost 100% up, you know. The idea behind this is that, I mean, look at the trend before this, you know, it's not like one day it's gonna uncook the whole stock. I mean, I've done 33,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and I'm not exaggerating when I say I've seen these pumps and dumps happen a lot of times, thousands of times. And it's not that I'm even like trying to hate on the MPLN. It is just the reality. If there is a double break beneath these lows, then obviously I'm looking to take things lower, but like everything else in the meantime, it's just going to be pure noise. So the same thing is also with the highs. I would love to see a full candle close above it. So now we're in this tricky situation where I just need to wait more time to see what candles are going to appear. And it's just name of the game. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.